Warren Buffett is making a big bet on two big names, Amazon and Bank of America. His Berkshire Hathaway just revealed that it has boosted its stake in both companies. Berkshire now owns 927 million shares of B&A, valued at about $26 billion. As for Amazon, Berkshire now owns more than 500,000 shares, valued at about $1 billion. So this is a big bet on two well-known companies. But let me start with Amazon, because back in May, our editor-in-chief, Andy Sower, asked Buffett about his interest in Amazon. And Mr. Buffett said, yes, Jeff Bezos, he's always viewed him special. So I can't say this is surprising news, but clearly betting big on Bezos and the future of tech.
Yeah, Buffett actually came out and said, I didn't make those purchases. Somebody else within his firm bought up shares of Amazon. But remember, he has a lot of faith in Jeff Bezos and that company because he's in a joint healthcare venture with them and with JP Morgan Chase. Also want to point out here that Apple, again, he was never the guy big into tech, big into big tech. We know this about Warren Buffett. But he has said, since buying Apple, he says, we buy Apple to hold. So he bought a little more to hold.
Yeah, that's not bad. And even on Amazon, I think what he is doing here, or at least his managers, they really like the execution of Amazon. They like what it's doing. This company is dominating, not only in the cloud, but certainly within retail. It's causing a fundamental shift in how people consume goods and services.
And banking, bought up some more bank stocks. Have to say, he kept things neutral for Wells Fargo. He didn't add any shares to Wells Fargo or JP Morgan Chase. Probably a good idea there. But he did increase his stake in Bank of America by 3.5% last quarter. Also, U.S. Bancorp by 2.4%.
Alexis, he really loves banks. And bank stocks have been hammered this month. I believe the KBW Banking Index is now in correction, Tori. Interesting time to be buying banks.
He's in it for the long haul.
Yeah.
So this was a buying
Next
opportunity.
500 years.